Hello students, now we are going to discuss the key paper for the PolySet 2022, the biology part. So, here are the biology questions of PolySet 2022, which is held today, that is 30th June 2022. So, look at the first question of biology. Dash controls the movement of food and air towards their respective passages. So, when the food is moving, here epiglottis controls the movement of food and air towards their respective. So, here food is going through the food pipe and air through the windpipe. So, epiglottis controls this movement. Next, in the absence of oxygen, glucose is converted to ethanol. Glucose is converted to ethanol. This is anaerobic respiration in yeast. In yeast, glucose will be converted into ethanol. In case of lactobacillus, glucose will be converted into lactic acid. Next question. During cellular respiration, energy is stored in mitochondria. Energy is stored in mitochondria. It is a cell organelle. Next. Muscular tissue present at the floor of the chest cavity is diaphragm. Diaphragm is the muscular tissue present at the floor of the chest cavity. Next question. Dash protects the heart from shocks. So, here the heart is covered by the pericardial membranes and pericardial fluid present in between the pericardial membrane protects the heart from shocks. So, the answer is pericardial fluid. Next question. In trees, removal of dash prevents transportation of food. So here the transportation of food takes place through phloem and transportation of water takes place through xylem. So here the answer is phloem. If phloem is removed, it prevents the transportation of food. Next question. Dash is a vital link between blood and tissues by which essential substances pass from blood to cells and excretory products from cells to blood. So, here the vital link is heart. The blood capillaries were discovered by. So, the blood capillaries were discovered by Marcello Malpighi in 1661. Next question. Total amount of urine excreted per day by humans is about dash liters. It is 1.6 to 1.8 liters per day, the total amount of urine. Next. The latex of dash plant is a source of biodiesel. So, here the latex of Jatropha. Next question. The secondary function of lungs to carry out excretion is, so the primary function of the lung is breathing, that is respiration, and here secondary function is removal of carbon dioxide and water. Next. Dash functions as filtration unit. Here glomerulus functions as a filtration unit. Next, identify the correct photosynthetic equation. So here 6CO2 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose C6H12O6, 6H2O and 6 oxygen. So this is the correct equation. Next question. Assimilatory powers formed in the photochemical phase of photosynthesis are, here ATP and NADPH. Next question. The mode of nutrition in paramecium is, it is ingestion. Dash are fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A and D. B and C are water soluble vitamins. Next question. The structural and functional unit of nervous system. Nervous system is neuron and excretory system is nephron. Next question. Dash serves as a shock absorbing medium and protects the brain against shocks and jerks along with the meninges and cranium. It is the cerebrospinal fluid. Which part of the brain controls the emotions? This question was occurred in the last paper also. It is diencephalon. Next, external fertilization is observed in. It is observed in fishes and frogs also. Next question. Growth of a plant in response to a light stimulus is known as phototropism. Plants which undergo the vegetative reproduction through roots. Through roots, it is Murraya, Guava and Millingtonia. And in case of Colocasia and ginger, through stem. In case of Bryophyllum and Celia, it is through leaves. Next question. The fluids excreted from seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Copper's gland collectively called seminal plasma. The seminal plasma along with sperm is called as the semen. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of the same flower is called. Within the same flower, it is self-pollination. When it takes place in the another flower, it is cross-pollination. Next question. The phrase omnis cellula acellula or cells arise from pre-existing cells was proposed by, it is Rudolf Virchow. Next question. Differences in character within closely related groups of organisms is referred to as, it is called as variations. In F2 generation, the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. In case of monohybrid cross, the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Each human body cell contains dash of autosomes. It is 22 pairs, that is 44 chromosomes. And one pair is allosomes, that is sex chromosomes. Here autosomes are body chromosomes which are of 22 pairs. Next question. A cross between a round and green seeded pea plant, that is RRYY. RR is round is dominant here and YY. And a wrinkled yellow seed and a wrinkled yellow seeded pea plant RRYY. The seeds produced in F1 generation are. So here the dominant is round and here the dominant is Y, yellow. So in F1 generation, the seeds produced are round and yellow. Next, last question. The organs which have different structure but perform similar functions are called. Here, different structure but perform similar functions. They are called as analogous organs. If same structure, they are called as homologous organs. So here, different structure but similar function. They are analogous organ. So these are the answers for the questions, biology questions. Okay children, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.